Okay, students, let us talk about computer languages. Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that a computer understands. For every action, a computer has to be given instructions accordingly. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its own specific rules. The development of programming languages has improved considerably with the ease and ability of programmers to write powerful application programs. Students, please note that syntax are the rules governing the formation of statements in a programming language. The development of computer languages has been classified into the following categories. Computer languages. First generation as machine language. Second generation as assembly language. Third generation as high-level language. Fourth generation language. Students, let's learn about machine language, first generation. It is the only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. But understanding and learning machine language is a tough and time-consuming process. It is very difficult to write and debug programs written in machine language. It is extremely machine dependent. That is why machine language is also regarded as low-level language, that is LLL. A machine language program written on one computer may or may not run on another computer. Because of this, very few people opt for specialization in machine language. Let me share a fact with you. The term software was first used by John W. Tukey in 1957. Okay, let me tell you about assembly language, second generation language. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, it can be directly written as add in assembly language, as assembly languages use symbolic codes. Hence, it is easy to work with assembly language than in binary language. Assembly language is also machine dependent like machine language, and programming in this language is quite time consuming. Thus, it is also regarded as a low-level language, LLL. Students, let me tell you about high-level language, third generation. The restrictions in the usage of machine and assembly languages prompted people to develop a language with the following features. Simple and user-friendly language. Language that is machine independent. Owing to the above-mentioned features, it became easy to learn and use the computer languages. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these languages. It is also known as high-level language, HLL. High-level language is quite similar to the English language. COBOL, FORTRAN, BASIC, C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular examples of high-level languages. Let us understand about fourth generation language, 4GL. Fourth generation languages are closer to human language than any other high-level languages. Fourth generation languages are a combination of languages with the following features: highly user-friendly and independent of any operating system. Very high speed of execution, designed to reduce level of programming efforts. Minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information. Designed to reduce the overall time it takes to develop software and the cost of software development. In 4GL, the user has to specify only the required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results. Structured Query Language (SQL) is the most popular example of 4GL. Now, let us briefly sum up about computer languages and their features. Machine uses binary codes to depict operators and data. Machine dependent, the only language directly understood by a computer. Assembly uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of binary numbers. Machine dependent, has to be converted into machine language by translator programs, assemblers. High level uses English words and mathematical operators. Machine independent, has to be converted into machine language by translator programs, interpreters and compilers. 4GL, machine independent, minimal user skills required to obtain results. Application development tool. Students, let us know more. In software development, beta release refers to a product or a technology which is still in development but released only for testing and evaluation purpose.